Welcome to my virtual exhibition, an exhibition of some of my favorite black and white photos that I've made in Madagascar since I've retired. The first photo is of a beautiful old woman in the village town of Ambubari. A portrait of an old man having his breakfast in a village restaurant. Portraits from a fashion shoot I did just using mirrors as reflectors. Young street vendor hiding in a classroom from the rain. Children in the village having fun playing school. Having fun without computer games, turning old plastic containers into toys. Football is a popular sport played by girls and boys and played wherever they can find it. Like an old rice field. The balls are made out of old plastic bags. Most village homes don't have running water. People come to the communal tap at 4 o'clock in the morning to fill up their water containers. Water comes twice a day, so you'll find long queues of water containers waiting to be filled. Running home with clean drinking water. Man washing in the canal at the end of the day. A group of women going to work in the rice fields. The only woman in the team harvesting rice. Women spend hours bent over collecting rice seedlings. A woman worker standing up for her rights. A father and son trying to farm in a dried up water canal. Most rural farmers plow their fields by hand. The ones with money can use cattle to help them plow their fields. A husband and wife team working in their land. A family with the rice harvest for the year. Rice is a staple food in Madagascar. Fishing in the flooded canal. After the rice has been harvested and the paddies are flooded, women and children take to fishing for freshwater crayfish. A mother with the young children fishing before going to the market. A fish vendor waiting for the fishermen to come back. Going home after a long fishing night. Happy helping a mother with the daily washing. Going to help with the family's rice harvest. Young scrap metal workers on their way to work. A pig on its way to the market. The only way to transport bricks during the floods. A father scooping up rice to feed his family. The cow greets the farmer's wife on the way home, using socks to protect his hands during the harvest. Farmers harvesting rice on a drum. Workers loading bags of rice. A funeral procession passing through the market on their way to the family tomb. Madagascar Jews celebrating Passover. A woman being removed of her evil spirits during an open-air service. Members of a New Wave church trying to get new recruits. A family at their Sunday Mass. Nuns running to go and see the Pope. A couple getting married in the village. Family members during the Famadian ceremony. Child rides his bike in the canal so he can go and play. Photographing the farmer with a great afternoon light. A farmer going home before the heavy storm. The dried up canal after the first rains. Madagascar has these amazing storm clouds. I love photographing lightning and storm clouds. Rickshaws are the main mode of public transport in Tamatave.